Today I want to show off what this Hoover CleanSlate can do. I have some flour there that I kind of mushed in and really made it hard to that vacuum. And I also have some pomegranate juice here to make sure to see how well it sucks up the liquid and also how well it kind of cleans off stains, because this is going to leave quite a big red stain on my carpet. So we'll see how well that does. So we'll start off with the flour. So first impressions, I'm quite impressed, and after going through it, I don't really feel any flour there. So this is quite impressive. This is probably better than my actual vacuum cleaner. So the suction on this is pretty good, mostly because of the seal that it makes right here. It has a super great seal, so especially good for carpets. So next we're going to see how well this sucks this liquid, and then we're going to move on to the stain remover. As you can see right here, although it did suck up all the liquid, well, not all the liquid, but mostly all the liquid, it still left quite a bit of stain here. So we'll then go back and put the stain remover from the water and also see how many passes it takes for me to completely get rid of the stain. Okay, so that took around maybe 30 seconds. I still see a little tiny bits, but not really maybe. But yeah, overall, it's pretty good. I didn't really brush it that much or really vacuum that much. And it's already mostly gone, so that is quite impressive. It still feels wet because I sprayed a lot of liquid on here. So we're going to go continue keeping on and see how long it takes to really dry something completely. That took quite a bit, but eventually I can get it completely dry, which these things are not meant to get the water out completely. They're more meant to just get stains and get some mostly liquids and debris. So this was still pretty good in terms of drying power. So, but I wouldn't say it is anything exceptional though. Next, I want to do the same thing on the hardwood floor tiles here. We're going to focus on the creases here. See if you can get the water in between the crease and also the flour into the crease. So as you can see, it didn't start out completely here because I was a little bit too fast. So if you're really fast on this, you're probably not going to take down much. Right? Again, also the crease, even though I was slow, it's still left a little bit in the crease. So this suction is not amazing, but it's still pretty good, I would say. Next with the liquid. The liquid, it was much better. You can still see a little bit of liquid around the edges right here, but not too much. But mostly it is definitely still in the crease, so didn't manage to pick up all that. So that is where the issue lies, when the crease creates massive suction. So kind of beware of that. So we move on to how it works. Basically, the top button here is all you need to worry about. You click on to turn it on, you click on to turn it off. How it works on the other side is you press down on here, pop this out, and this is the dirty water tank. On the other side, you don't have to press a button. You lift the handle, you lift it out. You can twist this off with full water. There are convenient instructions right around here, where a large area, that's how much you fill, and smaller areas down there. It's super easy to plug it back into. I like the handle design. Spin it around back. You can see this is an adjustable cord holder. There's a little nice detail where the cord can kind of hold on to itself. Next, we move on to the main hose, where it has this thing where it holds the whole hose in place. You push it in, click on the end. So this thing is not going anywhere. You're not going to have to worry about this falling off anytime soon. Uncoil it. And there are ridges at the bottom where you can coil this, so it makes it super convenient, but it will drop down. That hose is the main start of the cell. Click on the one down here, you press on it, and that's where it shoots the water out with the nozzle right there. This is the brush. You can detach this brush. You also detach up here, which is a good point to mention how to clean this. So in order to clean this is pretty simple. You can also take off this entire thing by pressing the button up here. Now you expose a hose. That is when the water comes out, and this is the actual hose where it sucks in. There's a very convenient tool that is inside the compartment right here, where you pop it on, just like so. Now it becomes a self-cleaning tool, because the water will come up through this way and kind of come out through this way, cleaning the hose all in here. I can demonstrate. Now with this tool, you can actually detach it by lifting the things here. You can move things. You can wash this very easily. Wash it here too. Very easily, you can just click it back in place. You can also remove this brush here to make it very easy to remove as well and clean. Next is the dirty water cycle. And what I love about this is you can actually cook the entire golf off. It's my pressure system kind of suction right here. You can cook this whole thing off, get clean it right all in there. This makes it a lot easier to clean versus a lot of the other dirty bins. You can't access the entire inside, so this makes it super convenient. And last thing, you probably need to just use a tissue and kind of rinse that out really quickly, and that's about it. That's all you really need to clean. So this thing is pretty simple. Next is the durability test, which I will see if this is able to withstand scissors, which would mean it will withstand like everyday scratches. But now right here, as you will see, I didn't leave a mark right in there. I thought still there's a good area, although I can see a little bit, but because unless you have the light reflected at the perfect angle, and even then you can't really see the mark. So this is, although it can be marked, it is very unnoticeable. Try to dark a spot right here. And yes, as you will see, there was a mark left on there. Same I will try with the red spot. You can definitely see in the middle where there's a power symbol that there was a lot left on. Lastly, I'll go with the cable right here. Yeah, I'm kind of scratching the faint off of the cable right in here. So you gotta be aware that the cable may not be resistant to color alterations, but it's still gonna work basically all the time. So it's nothing much to worry about. Overall, every one of these like durability tests, although it can just scratch, it's not gonna damage it much at all. It's just superficial damages. So I wouldn't really worry too much about it. But yes, it is not completely durable some of the materials because this is not a super high-end product. So overall, where the areas do count, which is the suction, the cleaning power, the spray, like large nozzle and the removable emptying of the dirty water. I could have a little bit bigger of a clean water tank, but that's really about it. I would say most of this has the mark and does the job pretty well, so I can definitely recommend this if you're trying to pick up a carpet cleaner.